Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
A few weeks ago, Benue stakeholders met and gave this administration the mandate to activate and implement community volunteer guards law enacted in the year 2000. We have already commenced the process of recruiting responsible people of between 18 to 50 years into the volunteer guards, also known as vigilante. The duty of the volunteer guards is to support and complement the conventional security agencies in defending their communities. We have cried out enough, and we will no more cry. Now it's time for action. Let me remind those who think that sustained attacks on Benue people will force us to repeal the open grazing prohibition and ranching establishment law that they are making a mistake. This law has come to stay, and no amount of intimidation can make us repeal it. It is with the support of the entire people of Benue State. Instead, we would soon amend the law in order to increase penalties against offenders.